Hello everybody, here we have a beautiful Sony amplifier F220, which, as you can see, it's open, so that means it has an issue. So what's the issue? We powered it on, it's working. Now we can hear the relay, I think. Okay, relay is on, music's on, but unfortunately only one channel. Okay, first I thought that relay is bad, which could also be. That's the good one. But then I have investigated a little bit, and there we got something rather uncommon. You see, that's not supposed to move like this. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna play anymore. It's back to life, but bad solder, I think. Soldering, bad soldering on those beautiful Sony amplifiers. Which means I'm gonna have to take the whole main board and solder it all over again, because I think that's gonna solve the problem. And I'll see, I'm gonna solder off the relay, probably gonna change those with a new one, if I find a new one. Otherwise, a beautiful machine. Old school, it's old school. I love these machines. That's for now.